For today's tips and tricks, we will talk about how to move or arrange the item sequence. For example here, you can click on the number and move it to another row. Okay, so let's say for example I want to move this transportation charges to the last row. I can hold it, and then with my keyboard button, the up and down button, I hold it. It will move the whole list up or down, and then I will just drop it on the last row. Okay, so you can see that my transportation charges have been moved all the way from the top to the down here. Okay, same goes for the others that you can move around. Okay, just click and drag and drop. Okay, meanwhile if you press the keyboard button up and down, it will move the whole list up or down.